from Arkansas Walmart haul, and everything that I got today is really a surprise and delight kind of item. And if you didn't know, Love Wellness is at Walmart, and so we always come down to Bentonville a couple of times a year to see our buyers, to walk the stores. So this is what I got today at Walmart. It's a facial sunscreen mist from this company, Summer Camp. I'm big on sunscreen, as we've discussed many times before. And I like sunscreen that I can just kind of spray over makeup, bringing it with me and using it tomorrow. They were sampling these mineral drops, and I was just in Europe, where apparently the water has a much higher mineral content, and that's why the Europeans are less thirsty than us Americans. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but I got these trace mineral drops. Apparently they're good for hydration. Next in my Walmart haul, we got the Bye Bye Bloat Babes. The Love Wellness is in digestive health at Walmart, and we just had Italian for dinner. We passed the Bye Bye Bloat around so that we can digest that gluten and dairy a little bit better tonight. 3 products from e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. I have purchased this before and used like many tubes of it. I love this product. I decided to buy some clear mascara. Just give it a try. Like maybe I can curl the brows and put clear on and they'll stay curly. I have no idea. A face mask. I'm gonna do this right after I finish this video. I'm gonna watch the Olympics. I'm gonna go to sleep. A complete impulse purchase. I thought this was so cute. Look at how long my nails are, by the way. Love Wellness vitamins for the win. Matte finish spray. I gave 2 of these out at dinner, but I got EOS lip balm, and I love passion fruit, so the pink one's passion fruit. I kept the pink one for myself. And finally, I got a new notebook so I can record all of my very important thoughts that I'm having about the world. Some pretty fun stuff today, in my opinion, from Walmart. I love going into a store and just experiencing delight by what I find.